Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with essentials. Make sure your device has a working fingerprint or Face ID and the Binance app is updated. Once logged into Binance and basic KYC is complete, open the app and tap your profile icon. Then, navigate to Settings and locate Security Options. Do this now so you don't interrupt later steps. Make sure to keep your phone unlocked and nearby. This prepares the app to request biometric permission and moves you directly into enabling the feature without detours. You'll now enable biometric authentication inside Binance. Tap Biometric Authentication or Fingerprint/Face ID in Security. The app will call the device OS. Grant the OS level permission when prompted. This allows Binance to verify your fingerprint or face. Next, follow the on-screen scan. Place your finger or position your face until the indicator completes. Once done, select whether biometric unlock applies to login, withdrawals, or sensitive actions. Make sure to finish by testing the new biometric. Lock the app, then unlock using fingerprint or face. Try a non-sensitive action to confirm seamless access. If biometric fails, make sure your device biometric entry is current. Re-enroll fingerprint or face in the phone settings and retry. Sometimes sensors misread due to dirt or case. If issues persist, note your device model and app version, then contact Binance support. Make sure to keep 2FA available as fallback. This prevents lockout while resolving biometric problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.